here's a word problem where we have to use money compared to a certain amount that we purchase. Okay, so let me read the problem. It says that Jim is looking to buy a mixture of 2 coffee beans in Star Coffee. There are 2 different types of roast, Pike and Blonde. Okay, so that's the name of the 2 different roasts of coffee. Jim is going to spend a total of $24 on coffee beans, and they tell us the Pike costs $8 per kilogram and Blonde costs $6 per kilogram. Write an equation to represent Jim's purchases. Okay, so there's 2 different types that we are buying. Okay, we don't know the quantity of either, so we have to let X be the quantity of Pike. Okay, and similarly, let Y be the quantity of the Blonde roast. Okay. Then, for every kilogram, every kilogram of Pike roast, it costs $8. It's going to say 8x. This is the weight. This is the cost per kilogram. So this is the total cost of the Pike roast. Similarly, it's going to be 6y, and this is the amount of money that Jim's going to be spending. Okay, and they're telling us he's going to spend $24. Okay, so that's a setup for A. Okay, part B says isolate the variable for the quantity of Pike roast in your equation. So this was the Pike roast. So we can first bring this over to the other side by subtracting both sides by 6y. So we get 8x is equal to 24 minus 6y. Let's divide both sides by 8. Right, 24 minus 6y over 8. Let's factor out the 2. Then we can reduce to get 12 minus 3y all over 4. Okay, so that's for part B. C, if Jim bought 250 grams of Pike roast, how many grams of Blonde did he buy? So this equation here actually tells you the amount of the Pike roast you get given the amount of Blonde roast you purchase. So we can actually answer D first. Let's answer D first. D is very easy. It's going to be X is equal to, the purchase was 150, but 150 is in grams. So that's going to be 0.15 in kilograms. So that's 12 minus, it's going to be 0.45 all over 4. That's 11.55 over 4. Give me 2.8875. Now for C, what I'm going to do is actually from here isolate y instead. Okay, so actually from here. Let's start from here. So we get 6y then is equal to 24 minus 8x. You can divide both sides by 2, and you get 3y is equal to 12 minus 4x. And then y is equal to 12 minus 4x all over 3. Okay, so now we can just plug in for x 0.25. Okay, so that gives you 1, so it's 11 over 3. Okay, that's 11 over 3 kilograms. So this is also kilograms in part D as well. So this is going to be 3 and 0.66 repeating. So let's just say approximately 3.7 kilograms.